The most important renewable natural resource. You know, the most important renewable natural resource. Soil is the soul of agriculture. But importance number one, the medium of the plant growth supports the different type of the living organism. It is living system. But formation of soil, relief features, parent rock, climate, vegetation, and form of life. Time and also important factors formation of soil. So formation of soil कहते हैं कि वेदरिंग प्रोसेस. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉइल में क्या है? वेदरिंग प्रोसेस, ब्रेकिंग ऑफ रॉक with displacement by the agent of gradation. Some important factors favorable for the formation of soil, such as like as relief features, mountain, plateau, plain, desert, land, upland, lowland, rock, type of rock, igneous rock, metamorphic rock, and sedimentary rock. Parent rock and bedrock, weathered rock, climatic condition, temperature, the rainfall, vegetation, and the form of life. And also, time is the most important. The factors for the formation of soil. Factors, formation of the soil. Some, the human activities, such as the deep forest, soil, okay. Now, variation factors, clear? Chemical, various force of nature, such as change in temperature, action of the running water, action of the wind, and slow moving of ice, activities of the decomposers. So some factors are contribute the formation of the soil. Not only the natural factors, but also man-made factors, chemical and organic change that took place in them, the place of rock. So, you know, the quality soil. Can you say what is the meaning of the humus? Humus. Soil is a consist of the organic and inorganic matters. Dead and decomposed of the plant and animal get by under the earth's surface. Is known as the humus. In India, we have studied in Indian geography the type soil and type of soil on the basis of basis of factors, landform, relief features, landform, relief features, climatic conditions. So they have the contribute in the development of the various type of climate. But we know on the basis of factors responsible for soil formation, such as like a color, thickness, textures, age, chemical and physical property. Chemical and physical property. There are some factors. Chemical, physical properties, color, thickness, texture, and one of the most important factors, the age factors. Age. So these are factors, the formation of soil. So first, when the main river, suppose, so layer formation of soil का, ये formation of soil का देख लो. The first layer, now second, third, and fourth. Breaking of rock with displacement, either agent of gradation such as the river, running water, action of wind, the glacial. So lower part, the first part, the weathered rock, also called the weathered rock. इसको हम लोग कहते हैं parent rock भी कहते हैं, unweathered rock. Just the layer, second layer sub streams, the weathered parent rock materials, small pieces. And third, the mixture, कहता है कि mixed soil, subweathered rock, mixture of sand, silt, clay, etc. But most the upper, the lithospheric area, lithospheric parts, both the upper top layer of the soil consists the thin layer of soil. Thin layer of the soil. All soil are formed on the basis of color, thickness, texture, age, chemical and physical property. Now, in India, in a vast country, so India is a vast country and different relief features such as mountain, plateau, plain, river, desert, coastal land, eastern coast, western coast. So classification, a different type of rock. Alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, laterite soil, arid soil, and forest soil. It means the mountain soil. Different type of soil are the role in human activities. But you know, basically all the rocks, such as the alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, laterite soil, desert soil, mountain soil area, all soil are their own character and formation of soil in the different geological period. So we know one most important soil, such as like a alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the soul of agriculture. कहता है कि alluvial soil is the soul of agriculture. In the coastal region area, eastern coast, Malabar coast region area, and northern plain area, the most area is covered with the due to the depositional features, not the original name. Depositional, when the main rivers come from the Himalayan area in the high altitude, the way so three process. Number one, erosional process, then transportation and deposition. So huge carry the small, the piece of rock and dust rocks carry from upward to downward, and just the deposit in the lower area on the bank of river. So such region is the northern plain area. Second, Malabar coastal area and eastern coastal due to different variety, due to famous the delta like a Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Mahanadi delta, Ganga and Brahmaputra delta are a बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ द तो फॉर्मेशन किसकी तरह है तो डिपोजिशनल फीचर से सो एलुवियल सॉइल इज आल्सो फाउंड इन द ईस्टर्न कोस्टल सदर्न वेस्टर्न कोस्टल डेल्टाइक रीजन एरिया लाइक कृष्णा कावेरी गोदावरी महानदी डेल्टा रीजन एरिया and consists the various properties such as the soil, sand, silt, clay, muds, inland water, river valley, and a bigger in size. पूरे इंडिया का 50% एरिया जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन एरिया है, द अपर कोर ऑफ रिवर वैली का एरिया है, स्लोप एरिया है, कोरस एरिया है, पिगमेंट एरिया है. अब ये देखो कि कहता है कि नियर द प्लेस ऑफ द ब्रेक ऑफ स्लोप द कॉमन. अब इंडिया का ये देखो, ये पोर्शन देख ले, ये एरिया, ये पोर्शन, इसको हम लोग कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं इसको, इसको हम लोग कहते हैं द्रास है. उसके बाद ये कोर्स एरिया है और तराई रीजन एरिया है. सो ईस्टर्न पार्ट, मोस्ट ईस्टर्न पार्ट एरिया है कोर्स एरिया ड्यू टू कोर्स, द्रास और तराई. सो कंपोनेंट सॉइल डिस्क्राइब ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एज के कारण, अकॉर्डिंग टू एज एलुवियल सॉइल, द टू पार्ट एलुवियल का, न्यू एलुवियल एंड ओल्ड एलुवियल. यहां देखो कि ये पार्ट्स आपका डिपेंड्स करता है किसके, एज के आधार पर. तो ओल्ड एलुवियल सॉइल आल्सो नोन एज द बांगर सॉइल and new alluvial soil also known as the khadar soil. And Bangar is higher the concentration of the khadar. It is form the particle more the fertile than in the Bangar. Such type of कहते हैं कि mostly of this soil contained in their पर्पस है, पोटास है, फास्फोरिक्स है, एसिड है, लाइमस्टोन है, आइडियल फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द शुगर केन है, पेडी है, व्हीट है, अदर सेल क्रॉप्स, पल्स क्रॉप. व्हाई द ऑल क्रॉप्स आर ग्रो ड्यू टू इट्स द हाई fertility and the region of alluvial soil are also intensively cultivated and densely populated. Densely populated is the northern plain. Northern plain area is the densely populated due to favorable climatical condition and availability of water and soil of agriculture, such as like a soil, alluvial soil, alluvial soil. तो इसकी एलिवियल सॉइल का फॉर्मेशन, जैसे ही एलिवियल सॉइल का फॉर्मेशन देते हैं इंडिया में, तो वो आपको फॉर्मेशन में ड्यू टू द रनिंग वाटर के द्वारा जर्निंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द हाई अल्टीट्यूड टू lowland areas like a Himalaya to foothill to Haridwar, and Haridwar to Bay of Bengal. The three process the work of river like a erosion, transportation, and deposition. And every section, every stage, river makes a different type of land. But the lowland area, जो आपका गंगा का प्लेन है, ब्रह्मपुत्र का प्लेन है, इंडस का प्लेन है, ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन एरिया है, चाहे वो कृष्णा, कावेरी, गोदावरी, महानदी डेल्टा, एंड वेस्टर्न कोस्ट का सदर्न पोर्शन, मालाबार कोस्ट रीजन एरिया. So these are all area are the productive after the preparation, the treatment of the irrigation facility. इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी है, इसलिए ये एरिया काफी आपका ज्यादा फर्टाइल नजर आता है. नाउ द सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ सॉइल, आपका सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ द सॉइल आ जाइए, उसको हम लोग कहते हैं ब्लैक सॉइल. ब्लैक सॉइल इसको हम लोग कहते हैं कि दीज सॉइल आर ब्लैक इन कलर, आर ऑल्सो नोन एज द रिगर सॉइल है, कॉटन सॉइल है. बट यू नो द आइडियल कंडीशन फॉर द ग्रोइंग कॉटन एंड ऑल्सो नोन एज द ब्लैक सॉइल and climatical condition along with the parent rock materials are those important factors. But the formation of the black soil due to the volcanic eruption. The area developed in the Deccan Trap region area, western part of Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. Deccan Trap region area, Deccan Plateau ट्रैप एरिया, जिसमें कि बासाल्ट रीजन जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं. नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न डेक्कन प्लेट्यू इज द मेड अप, किससे बना हुआ है? यस, ये ड्यू टू द लावा वोल्केनिक से बना हुआ है. द महाराष्ट्र, सौराष्ट्र, मालवा, मध्य प्रदेश, इटीसी. छोटा नागपुर ऑल्सो extend the southeast direction along with the Godavari and the Krishna Valley. Clay material, they well known as the capacity to hold moisture. The whole moisture. Hold moisture. Calcium carbonate, manganese, potash, etc. Now next, the third type of soil, the red and yellow soil. The crystal lines in the Deccan Plateau region area. So igneous rock area, igneous rock. Eastern and the southern part of the Plateau region area. Both are soil, red and yellow soil are formed in the state like Orissa, Chhattisgarh, southern part of the Middle Ganga plain, along with the Piedmont zone and the Western Ghat. Western Ghat develop the reddish color. Why? So diffusions of the iron crystals and metamorphic so level. And it looked yellow color. And other soil You also know the laterite soil derived from the Latin words, which means the bricks. Laterite soil develop in the under the tropical and subtropical zone. Intensive leaching. So what the meaning the leaching क्या है? Leaching process. So due to the heavy rain, laterite soil are mostly deep to valley. Acid generally deficient in the plant nutrients and occur mostly in the southern states. So such as like the Western Ghat region area, Maharashtra, Orissa, some part of the West Bengal in the northeastern states. So we know that every type of the soil are found in the different the region, formation of the soil, like a alluvial soil, like a black soil, red and laterite soil, arid, also known as the desert soil, due to the dry climate and high temperature, evaporation, in fast and the soil lack of the humus and moisture. उसमें अनफर्टाइल के कारण कर रहे हैं. क्यों हो रहा है कि डेजर्ट क्यों है? ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द वेरी हाई एंड कॉमन सॉल्ट ऑब्टेन्ड कहता है कि वो प्रेशर ऑफ वाटर का है, ड्राई क्लाइमेट है, हाई टेम्परेचर है, इवोप्रेशन इतना फास्ट हो रहा है कि सॉइल के लैक ऑफ द ह्यूमस वही डिकम्पोज ऑफ द प्लांट एंड एनिमल गेट बाइज अंडर द अर्थ सरफेस, ह्यूमस moisture. So soil occupy, तो लोअर एरिया में soil occupy करता है only the small the pieces of rock in the rock, इसको लोग कंकर कहते हैं. And यही this factors to provide unfertility of the soil, dry land area, but कहते infertility, water is scarcity to the water. After the proper irrigation, this area become the cultivated has been the cause of the was some part of the western Rajasthan. Mountain soil is the northeastern part of the Himalaya. नॉर्थ पार्ट ऑफ हिमालय डेंस फॉरेस्ट, यहाँ पर आप देखोगे ये रीजन हिमालय का ये क्षेत्र जो है यहाँ पर फॉरेस्ट एरिया है, फॉरेस्ट, ये रीजन एरिया आपका दिखते हैं. वो वेस्टर्न कोस्ट का एरिया डेजर्ट एरिया है, ये ईस्टर्न कोस्टल एंड वेस्टर्न घाट, ईस्टर्न कोस्ट और वेस्टर्न कोस्ट का ये रीजन एरिया है. एलुवियल soil and the northern plain, but this area is the Deccan Trapezoid area. ये एरिया देखो ब्लैक सॉइल है ड्यू टू वॉल्केनिक के कारण. So each and every type of soil are also, but the forest soil इसको mountain soil is also found in the hilly region area, high altitude region area, where the sufficient available of the forest, but they are loamy soil, silt है, valley side area, coast area, grain है, upper slope है, snow covered area है, Himalaya, and the soil they experience the denudation and the acid, so the low humus content. Soil found in the lower part of the valley, चाहे वो कश्मीर वैली हो, लद्दाख वैली हो, कांगड़ा वैली हो, कुल्लू वैली हो, particular in the river trace area and available alluvial fund at the soil. So today discuss about the soil as a resource, utilization of soil, and type of soil of like a alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, or laterite soil, and just the 4 region area. One, the core. सेकेंड आपका आ जाइए तराई है. फोर्थ Ronak Kumar, tell me the difference between the Khadar and the Bangar soil. Ronak, just a part of the alluvial soil is the two parts due to the age of the soil. So Khadar and Bangar, new alluvial soil and old alluvial soil. New alluvial soil and the old alluvial soil. Ronak?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Explain the Khadar and Bangar. It means the old alluvial soil and new alluvial soil. If one region
Bangar was classified as the old alluvial soil, and Khadar was classified as the new alluvial soil.
factors, according to their factors, which factor are responsible for the classify the alluvial soil can be classified into the two parts, one the old and second the new. एज फैक्टर्स. यहां पर एज आप सपोज करो कि फर्स्ट स्टेज द बैंक ऑफ रिवर सॉइल का जो है टॉप लेयर सॉइल जो है वो काफी स्प्रेड फैला हुआ है ड्यू टू द हेवी रेनफॉल या रनिंग वाटर. कहता है कि क्या कहता है रिमूवल द टॉप लेयर ऑफ सॉइल, वहां से वो रिमूव कर देता है और उसके बाद रिमूव करके वो कहा जहां पर उसकी स्पीड स्लो रहती वहां पर वो डिपॉजिट करते हैं. तो ये पुराना लेयर को वॉश करता है और नया लेयर इस पर आकर पेस्ट होता है. तो जिसमें कि कंकर्स नूडल्स एंड देयर खाई इट हैज द मोर फाइन फर्टाइल एंड मोर फर्टाइल देन द बांगर सॉइल. ये फाइन फर्टाइल सॉइल के कारण इतना ज्यादा फर्टाइल है जिसके कारण ये आपका एलुवियल सॉइल. और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉइल का फॉर्मेशन ड्यू टू द वेदरिंग प्रोसेस देखोगे. वेदरिंग प्रोसेस